Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo arrives at a quiet mountain lake surrounded by tall trees. The water is perfectly clear, so calm that he can see smooth stones resting at the bottom. The trees and blue sky reflect clearly across the still surface of the lake. A new word becomes important: pristine. Pristine means pure, clean, and untouched. The lake looks undisturbed, as if nothing has ever changed its peaceful surface. Timo kneels beside the edge of the lake and leans closer to observe the water. He gently touches the surface, and small ripples spread across the reflection. Slowly, the ripples fade and the lake becomes perfectly still again. Timo remembers that when something is pristine, it remains pure and untouched, and protecting such places helps them stay beautiful wherever he travels next.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.